Cado get grounded. Get it. Where? All you need to get away. Ha! You don't have me.
Cado, install iPhone 15 on the Abbas and iPhone 10 and get skills. Today, I'm going to be installing our iPhone 10 and iPhone 15. Not having nothing to do with well, okay. Before you can open something. Here you too. Well, you have to remember that. Alright. Right. What the? Wow! I love it. iPhone 13. Okay. Now plug it in. See. Alright. Not good. I'm going to start it and computer iPhone 15. 10. All day. Now it is a few minutes week and a running with you. 40 seconds later. Alright. Well, but plugging it right over. Now can't. Now ready for it. Now for it. Yay! I got it. I did it by. What? That's not annoying. What's going on? Oh my god. That's the kind of I'm in the pipe down.